I'm Yolanda McKinney, and this is Table Talk Tuesday. Welcome back. I'm so excited to start up with these videos again. And for our very first topic today, I want us to talk about the things that happen when we have something in our heart that we really want to do, or something that we've been pondering for a while, and we haven't quite been able to get traction on it, and we really don't know if we should start a new project or not. But today I'm here to tell you to just do it. I know that's really cliche and people hear that all the time, but I want you to kind of push yourselves further and kind of stretch your faith a little bit, and instead of overanalyzing everything and letting the distractions and the obstacles hinder you and discourage you from following something that you actually have a passion for, I just push past that and just do it. Don't overanalyze it. Don't overthink it. Go ahead and leap in, dive in, and it doesn't matter what the feedback is that you're getting back from it. As far as, don't worry if you have enough likes, or if people are sharing your information, or if people are responding to it the way that you feel like they should respond to it. Do it anyway. Sometimes you're going to have to push yourself and overcome those types of things, because eventually you'll find your way. Eventually you'll work out the kinks. Everything's not going to be perfect when you first start out, but at some point you'll learn those things that happen that you think, you look back on it, it's like, ugh, that wasn't really that great. You'll look back on it and you'll learn from those mistakes, and you'll learn how to go around those, how to correct those. You'll put yourself in a position where you'll start meeting more people, and those people will at some point become the people who kind of help you and give you positive feedback, right? Because it's one thing to criticize, but it's a whole nother thing for someone to give you constructive criticism. So if you have something that you're really passionate about doing, it may be something that's a hobby of yours, go ahead and start out with it as a hobby. And that way you kind of take some pressure off of yourself, and you can just do it, enjoy it. Don't worry about everything being perfect, because it's not going to be perfect.